guys, welcome back to the Escapade. So in this video I'm going to be showing you on how to register for your KNEC CP2 portal. So first thing, you're going to have to create an account. In this particular section you'll have to register at the cp2.nec.ac.ke portal, whereby you will need your phone number, preferably a Safaricom phone number. So you're going to input the phone number on the first section as shown below, and also on the second section as shown below. So why we are using a phone number is so that we can receive the username and password to enter the CP2 account once we have registered. So once you have registered for the above account, we'll just proceed on to the login page. Let me just click on the login page so that we can proceed on to the next section. So once we proceed on the login page, it's taking a bit of time. I think there is a problem with the network because of the many users that are using the system at the moment. So we are now on the login page, whereby you are going to input your username as the phone number, and the password has been sent to your email, to your message for the number that you gave. So in this particular landing page, it's where we are going to input our information. So we are going to input our full names, the year of birth, our gender, the ID number, our KRA PIN, our NSSF number, and our NHIF number. So please note, on the section of the NHIF number, we are going to put the number that we get once we have registered for the new platform, which is SHA, or the Afya Yangu number that you'll get once you have registered for the above. So that's, please note that, because as we speak right now the NHIF number is not working, or it has been scrapped off. So we are going to just input the Afya Yangu number right there. So from there we'll proceed on to the next section. The next section is going to show us, let me just see, it's going to show us now, we're going to input our email address, and also the bank that we have registered with our details, the bank branch, and also we are going to input the bank account number. From there we are going to proceed on to the highest level of education that you have. So if it's a diploma, certificate, degree, you're going to input it there, and also you're going to input the institution that you went to, and also the course title that you did, and also the study period of the above course. From there you're going to input the current workstation, the place that you are working within government, even the Teachers Service Commission, the Kenya Wildlife Service, National Service, Administration Police, National Police, all those services. You're going to just use the drop down menu. From there you're going to input your employment number. If you're in TSC, you know the TSC number, you're going to input it there. From there you will go on to input the institution that you work. If you're you work in a high school, you're going to put in the high school that you work in there. Then from there you're going to input when you started your workplace at that particular institution, and where it is located, your residence. If you reside in Meru or in Kirinyaga, you're going to input it there. Then lastly we are going to input the next of kin details, their name, their phone number, and also their job title. So once you have done that, you're just going to submit this particular application, and it's going to take us to a new landing page, whereby it's going to show us if we have been deployed for the NEC examination. Once you are deployed, it's going to give us our letter right here, the deployment. So if you are deployed, the deployments will not be 0, but it will be 1, and you'll be able to be deployed in this particular places as shown below, all done by, you see this section contains a list of duty stations and that have been deployed. It's going to show in this particular section right there. So make sure you continue checking on your CP2 account to know whence you are deployed, and you can report to the place that you have been deployed, and can continue to work and earn a few coins once the exam are going on. So once the deployment has gone or it has been approved, you will receive a badge and the contract of deployment. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time, goodbye.